Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Magic Time with Princess Victoria. I'm Princess Victoria, and today we have the Halloween Be Our Guest Express box. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice, but like, this box is huge in comparison to like other boxes I've opened. And for my villains, I picked Ursula, Captain Hook, and Hades. You did get to pick some preferences. So let's dive in. Here's the packing slip. We're gonna look at that after. And this is the most adorable Minnie and Mickey fireside campsite. It's so perfect for fall. I love camping. It's so much fun. And this side says Happy Halloween with Mickey dressed as a pirate and Minnie as a witch. And it's precious. And this is the sticker that everyone has been talking about. And I've got some orange and green tissue paper. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to save the sticker, but I'm gonna try. So much green tissue paper. I'm so excited. It's my first Disney tumbler. I don't have any tumblers and I've been wanting to order one and I haven't pulled the trigger and now I have one. Look at the rhinestones on that. That is fabulous. Oh my gosh. We've got the Evil Queen as the hag. We have Ursula. We have Maleficent. We have the Starbucks logo. The most evil of all. And then we have the Evil Queen. This is awesome. This is such an awesome villain's mug. And it comes with a straw, which is super needed. Oh my gosh, this thing is nuts. I'm so glad I didn't order a tumbler. That was pretty awesome. Guys, it's about to be on. I got the Hades Spirit jersey. It's so thick and so warm. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. It's got flames up and down the sleeves. It's got it up and down the body. And on the back, it says Walt Disney World. And Hades is in the front, just being his bad self. This is so amazing. This is gonna be so warm. This is amazing. There's more stuff in here. I feel like I'm climbing into this box. There's so many foozles. Ooh. I've got a Wonderground Gallery Hades and Pain and Panic postcard. This is fantastic. Oh, the glare is so bad. Oh, you look so sassy. You're so mean and grumpy. He's so funny. Like, he's such a funny villain. That's why he's one of my favorites. Ooh. We've got the poison apple, the extract of llama, Ursula's conch shell, and Alice's drink me bottle. This is such a pretty sticker. I'm pretty sure Be Our Guest Express designed this or themselves, and it's super, super awesome. And then we have the Evil Queen, Ursula, and Cruella de Vil, and they are super stylized, like models in some really high fashion clothing, which is ridiculous. They look super awesome. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, I think that's everything. Just in case. Nope, that was everything. Let's check the packing slip. A Brawl packed my box, and the Hades Spirit jersey was $70. The Villain Small Shop handmade tumbler was $43. The Hades Wonderground postcard was $6. And the Be Our Guest Express Villain art stickers was $6 for a total of $124.97. This was an amazing box. I had no idea what I was gonna be getting. Everyone's boxes are so different and so unique, especially with like everyone's preferences. So this was everything and more that I could have hoped for. I had no idea if I was gonna be able to get a tumbler. I was kicking myself because I didn't remember if I had put that in my preferences or not. So I'm really, really glad I was able to get a tumbler and get a really thick, warm Spirit jersey. This one is so soft too. So thank you guys for everything. I hope you guys have a super awesome Halloween and a super awesome spooky season. Thanks guys. Enjoy the video. I hope you did at least. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like. Let me know what your favorite item was. Thank you. Have a good day.